Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be putting windshield wipers on the 2016 Volkswagen Passat. This goes for many other years, so I'm not sure exactly what years, but check your owner's manual. It will tell you. So we're going to go through this. I haven't seen any decent YouTube videos on this, like close-ups. I've seen videos, but they really suck, meaning that I just didn't feel comfortable doing these without reading the instructions. So you don't have to read the instructions because that's what this video is for. We have a 19-inch and a 24-inch. Okay, so first we're gonna have to take apart a few little connections on the blades themselves. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So pay attention, watch closely. Here we go. All right, so yes, here are the instructions. I'm just gonna show you something on these real quick. What kind of wiper arm we're dealing with. There are several different types, and these blades will actually conform to the type that you have. But my particular type here on the Passat is that narrow FTB. Here, if you can see that, narrow FTB. So that's it. Let's throw these away. I'm going to show you how to do it without reading these instructions because they are awful. So I'm just going to grab one of the wiper blades here. This is it. It's a RainX. That's what is on the car now, but I just went with them. They had the best price, and they're decent blades. I picked them up off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys if you want to pick them up, but that's the cheapest place that I found them. They are good blades. I mean, they last quite a while. But anyway, here we go. What you do is you peel back that little section that I did. If you can look closely, just pull that back with your fingernail, and you grab it kind of by the middle and pull really tight, pull really hard and quick, and it should pop off just like it did. Then you have this little blue piece here. You grab it in the middle and just kind of pull straight down and out, just like that. So if you want to slow that down, whatever, you can, but that's what you do. Now, I did it before with the instructions. It took me a while, but it's that easy. I was thinking too hard about it, actually. So let's get these things put on the car. So I'm going to show you the car here and what happens when you don't put the windshield wipers in service mode. You got to lift them up to change them out, and it hits the paint. Okay, these things are on a spring. You pull them back, it hits the paint. Well, I made a video about putting your windshield wiper blades in service mode before. So just hop in the car, put your key in the ignition, turn it on, but don't turn it to run. Don't start the car, just turn everything on. Okay, turn it off, take the key out, and push down one time on the windshield wiper control arm there. See that? They go up and they stay. All right, now they're in service mode. Let's go outside and I'll show you. Now you can grab the wiper blades and you can pull on them, and they lock in place so you can service them and they're not hitting the paint. It's that simple. I mean, I've seen videos where people don't do this and you're leaning over the car. I'm surprised they don't know how to do this. If they're doing a windshield wiper video, you'd think that they would demonstrate this. But that's how you do that. So let's get these things removed. They're actually the same blades that we're going to be putting on. And so that's actually a good thing for you guys. So you just pull back on this like that. And I'm doing it with one hand. If you can see, there's your arm. That's the special arm that these Volkswagens have. Some of them have a J-hook, different styles. Some are wider, more narrow. So hopefully this video helps you learn how to conform the blade to the type of arm you have. So yep, there's the other one, all one-handed. All right, so let's toss those. So we're on the driver's side. Grab your 24-inch blade. That's the longer blade. See these two little notches here? That's what locks it in place in addition to the part on the top. So you just put it in there, shove it in, it'll lock into place. That's it. Now pull your protective yellow cover off. All you got to do is slide it out, and it comes off pretty easily. But again, I'm trying to do this one-handed. But it's locked in. It's ready to go for another however long they're going to last. They do last a long time. I've used these blades a few times with different cars, and they're pretty good, and the price is right. I mean, wiper blades are not cheap. I mean, it's crazy. It's very discouraging, actually. They're just wiper blades. But anyway, you want the 19-inch here, do the same thing. Just put the two little, squeeze them a little bit to get them in. So get the notches squeezed in and just push down on them and they'll snap right in place. Smooth, easy, done. Take the yellow protective cover off, of course. Again, one-handed here. There it goes. Okay, they're on. That's them. Push them back down to the window. Now you want to go back in the car, turn the ignition back on again. Don't start the car. Keep it on this time and push down one time on the control, and they go back to the resting position. There they are. Guys, that's it. It's pretty easy. I want to thank all of my subscribers for watching this video, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. This channel's been a lot of fun for me in the last year or so, and I look forward to bringing more content on the Volkswagen Passat and whatnot. So thanks again, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos on the Passat. I have many maintenance videos and some minor modifications as well. More to come. Thanks.